Hey there, I'm Aaron Nace, and today I'm going to show you how I create composites that perfectly match the lighting and atmosphere between the subject and the background using the Harmonize tool in Photoshop. We're going to start off by opening up our background image. Let's go ahead and right click on the image, go to Open With, and then down to Photoshop 2026. I prefer to start with a background image because it gives us the right aspect ratio for our final composite. Next, let's bring in our subject. I'm going to click and drag my subject file into the open Photoshop document. This will place the image as a smart object. Hit enter to apply the transformation. Setting it up as a smart object allows you to edit non-destructively. For example, when you scale or apply filters. Now it's time to cut out our background. With our subject layer selected in the Layers panel, go ahead and click on Remove Background. A simple click in the contextual taskbar and the background is gone. The next thing we need to do is align our subject with the image. Let's go ahead and use the Move tool here in our toolbar. We're going to click and drag to the left and our subject looks great right there. Now here's the challenge, matching the lighting. Traditionally, this would require adjustment layers and a fair bit of artistic touch. But with the Harmonize tool, it's as simple as a click. Because our subject layer already has a layer mask from the background removal, the Harmonize tool will automatically be visible in our contextual taskbar. Let's click on Harmonize. This uses Adobe Firefly AI to study the background and automatically match the lighting of your subject to it, including highlights, shadows, as well as color tones. In our properties panel, you'll see 3 different variations generated by the AI. Now, if you want even more variations, all you have to do is click here on Generate in your properties panel or in your contextual taskbar to get 3 more variations. Just remember that each time you click Generate, it does use an Adobe Firefly AI generative credit. Looking through my variations, I found a version where the lighting matches my background perfectly and this image is seamless. We're not done yet. To make our composite look more realistic, let's soften the background with a blur. Go ahead and select your background layer. Now we're going to go to Filter and then down to Convert for Smart Filters. This will make your background layer a smart object, which means you can change or undo the filters at any time. Now that it's a smart object, let's go ahead and apply a lens blur. Click on your background layer. We're going to go to Filter and down to Camera Raw Filter. Now here in our Camera Raw Filter on the right hand side, you're going to see lens blur. Go ahead and click on Apply. This will automatically create a lens blur realistic to your image, including the depth map, and you can change your blur amount dynamically. That looks great. Let's go ahead and click on OK. Now this already looks great. The last step is to bring a logo in and place it on top of our subject's clothing. Let's go ahead and place the logo. So we're going to click and drag the logo directly into our Photoshop document. Let's go ahead and bring it all the way to the very top and transform this logo to scale it and place it directly on top of our subject's clothing. That looks fantastic. Hit enter to apply the transformation. Now we're going to do a simple trick by using Harmonize as well as layer styles. On your logo layer, let's go ahead and click here on Harmonize. This is going to make sure it matches the resolution of our original image. Choose the variation that looks the best. Next, we're going to go back to our layers panel. Let's make our original logo invisible. And then on the layer that's harmonized, we're going to double click and get into our layer style dialog. Here you can see on the bottom of our layer style, we have a blend if. This will allow our logo to only be visible in the highlights, hiding it in the shadows and making it blend in to the clothing. Here where we see the underlying layer slider for the shadows, hold Alt or Option and click and drag and move left to the right with this slider. You're going to see it's going to start to disappear from the shadows. Let's go ahead and take the left side and bring this over as well. There we go. That looks fantastic. We're going to hit OK and zoom in so you can see just what an effect we have. You can see how the text looks like it's actually blending in with the fabric as though it was originally printed on the apron. And we're done. Thanks to the Harmonize tool, we created a seamless composite with just a couple of clicks.